Welcome back to the channel, everyone. It's good to have you all back. We got a special episode here today. It's not always about Mansuri Urises and Mansuri Cullinans and Mansuri kits. Naturally, we do a whole lot of it, so you guys see a whole lot of it, but we got a different episode for you guys today. We have a wide body Range Rover that you guys will be seeing shortly. We have a crazy Sprinter that we just literally finished. We designed it from start to finish. That's gonna change up the transportation and rental game forever. You guys will be seeing that upcoming. And when you guys see packages here, you already know it's mail time. So a bunch of generous friends and generous people send us gifts, and I like to unbox them along with you guys so you guys see it firsthand as I'm seeing it. So that's what we're gonna get into right now. I'm gonna start with the smallest package first. The box says Apple Inc., so I'm not really sure what this is all about. All right, cool. So this package right here is a black box. There's the Beats logo, and it says KKW, so I can kind of already guess what this is. Wow, super dope. So it's from KKW, Kim Kardashian, obviously our dear friend, and then Beats by Dre. Shout out to Kim, shout out to Beats. It says, thank you for making my birthday so special. As a show of appreciation, my friends at Beats and I wanted to gift you their newest headphone, the Beats Fit Pro. I hope you love them as much as I do and can't wait for you to see what else we have coming next year. With love, Kim. I appreciate you guys. I can only imagine how sick these are gonna be, used, put on and put into use, obviously. It's the brand new Beats Fit Pro. I mean, who doesn't love receiving gifts? This one is actually, it says GK on there, so it's personalized, which is super dope. I appreciate you, Kim. We love you. I'm gonna go for this one right here. This one right here is from Ben Baller. You already know his packaging is always super lit. The box says, this is not your practice life. And it has the BB insignia. Let's see what this is. Damn, all right, let's go. Let's go, baby. So it's the infamous cash gun. It comes with these cool white gloves. Like I said, packaging is super lit. Oh, it got the Ben Baller money in there too, So this is cool. Appreciate that, my bro. And this one's heavy. I'm not really sure what this is. It was a collab with Network. Damn, packaging is just stupid, man. Like this thing is so lit. Wow. So this one is the gold domino set. I mean, packaging, like I said, I keep talking about the packaging, but it's just so ill. All the gold details, this suede looking black background. And then the dominoes are like super heavyweight, crazy quality. It has the double B's on the sides, and then it's all gold plated. I appreciate you, my bro. Thank you for always thinking of us. This one, I don't really know what it is, but we're about to find out. It's a rug. And I have a feeling I know what rug this one is. Yeah, this is by the homie Joshua Vides. I was actually meaning to purchase it, but I think it got sold out, but here it is in the mail, so lit. It's a BMW rug. As you guys know, he had a collaboration with BMW. This piece is super sick. I already know where we're gonna place this. I'm gonna put it under JK's motorcycle. His bike is a BMW, obviously a vintage one that we basically rebuilt for him. It'll go right underneath the bike and it'll be displayed perfectly, but we're grateful, bro, appreciate you. And last but not least, we got another one. So this one is a Root collab with Pyrex and Corel. So like I said, we've been peeping it online. It's all over social media, and now we're able to have it for ourselves. It's a plate set, basically, like a 16-piece plate set, along with some Pyrex. I mean, how fire is this, man? This shit is crazy. And then we got this piece right here, like a measuring cup. The colors are fucking fire. Dope, man. And then there's one more piece in there. Like I said, I feel horrible opening this shit up, but I mean, you guys gotta see it, right? I almost wanna leave it unopened. It's so clean looking. But this one is super hard as well. It has the root on there. It's like a Tupperware. Fire. Appreciate you, Root. I appreciate that, Ruigi. You guys got PR packages coming from us as well. Be on the lookout for that. And I'm proud to say the Platinum merch line is officially sold out, literally. I think like there might be some sticker packs and some pins left, maybe a very small quantity of hats, but for the most part, the entire line is wiped out. I appreciate all of you, each and every one of you, for the support, for the love, for the continuous support. Without you guys, none of this is possible, so we truly appreciate it. We got something cooking though, so you guys will be seeing something very soon. We know Christmas is around the corner, so we want to make sure that you guys can get your hands on some dope limited stuff again. So be on the lookout for that. It'll be all over our social media pages naturally. But, you know, appreciate you guys for all the love and for all the gifts. See you guys soon.
Welcome back everyone to our YouTube page. In today's episode, we're going to be showing you guys our newest and hottest Mercedes-Benz Sprinter luxury van. Let me show you. As you can see, the side step we installed on this one sits a little bit lower than the factory spec. This way it gives you easy access to all ages of life. Come on in. The first thing I want to point out is the unique blue interior that we did on this unit. The color is pretty different. You know, I'm calling it a blue, but it's in the middle of a blue and a gray. We did the diamond pattern, we did the perforated leather, the reclining captain seats, and of course, the back, the reclining back. What's pretty special about this unit is both sides, you're able to open the windows just like any other SUV or a sedan. Check it out, guys. You get that nice breeze. In addition to that, you have cup holders on both sides, and along with that, you have phone chargers. So you're able to put in your phone, plug it in, charges it up. On both sides, you have these pockets along with USB plugs where you can charge your phone or your computer, and 110s as well. So now that I've shown you the two captain seats, I want to show you the back of the van, which is the third row. And we're able to get two captains or a bench back here. So when you have this handrest up, you have a bench. When you put the handrest down, you have two captains. Now what's pretty cool is that the captains, you're able to recline the seats. So back here on the third row, you have AC and heater vents on the sides. And of course you have the power shades. And not to mention, you have the windows that open up. Both sides, we made sure that we installed these pockets where you're able to put your personal belongings. You have a USB slot and then a 110 on the bottom. Now back here, we have speakers on the left and right, so you can get that good sound. You know, sound is very important. We wanted to make sure we give you guys enough area for the drinks. So you have one area on the left, one area on the right, and you have two decanters. You have the buckets to put your ice, your alcohol. So you have plenty of space there for your drinks. Now that you've seen the interior, I want to show you all the exterior. So we bought this car as a gloss white. We wanted to do something different, so we painted it the new Rolls-Royce gray. As you can see, complete color change with the jams. So all around the car, you're gonna see the black accents. Now, what's so special about this Sprinter, it's very rare. It's actually not common. You're gonna see that you have two opening windows on each side. Let me actually show you how it looks from the inside. So you can actually open two windows on the right side, two windows on the left side. Let me show you the back. You have four windows that open. You don't really see these on Sprinters. Check it out, guys. Here's the trunk. We made sure we give you guys enough room so you can fit your luggage, your carry-ons, your duffel bags. Actually, plenty of space. So it's almost a decade now. We've been offering our luxury Mercedes Sprinter vans through our chauffeur service division. And what that means is if you want to use one of these vans, you have to go through our chauffeur division. And we provide the vehicle with our driver. It's a full experience, anywhere from a airport transfer to a night out, going out of town, events, appearances, scouting. You know, we do it all. What we would like to announce is this is the very first unit that you're able to rent it and have your own driver drive it. So we're actually innovating the game because, like I mentioned, for almost a decade now, your only option was to get chauffeured. But guys, now we want to let you know that if you're interested, you can hit up our car rental division. You can check out the information in the bio. You know, give us a call, you're able to rent it. In addition to being able to rent this unit, now we're offering our services where you can build your own Sprinter with us. So we have the program up. Please give us a call or email us. We're able to accommodate you. So if you want to build your own, we're able to accommodate you where you can custom tailor it to your needs and to your spec. We hope you like this episode. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, leave us a like, and turn on your notification button. Hope to see you all soon.